We are going on a solo bike ride. Yay!
Well, if they're taped up like that, it's possible they're doing trim work. They're not though. Hi.
Hi. See if we can bike farther than the kids can.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
Oh, I'm about to take a sharper turn than I really want. Yeah, speed. Whew. Let's keep all 3 of the wheels on the ground, Shari. I like this little area. This is kind of unpleasant right here. Look out for the big hole.
Yep.
That was fun. I like little secret nature areas.
They're nice. It's kind of like that time that Corbin View and I were running around Camp Indian trails. Kind of doing trail running.
Uh-huh.
And you know, he'd only been out there a year or 2 maybe at the time. I'd been out there, you know, 4 or 5 or whatever. And I'm just running down a trail, you know, and they're running down a trail that he knows, or thinks he knows, and all of a sudden I take a hard left into the shrubbery, and I'm running down a slightly less used trail that is not as well known, but I knew it.
Yes.
So it looked like I just went right into the bush. It was fun.
That is fun.
That was the secret, super secret
Camp staff
pathway.
trail.
Yeah. Close enough.
With it just being the 2 of us, we could decide on a whim where we wanted to go, and we've decided the longer route, the 12-mile Dairy Queen. It has an easier ride home than Butt Kicking Hill, which is 9 miles. Uh-oh. I sense construction. Our 12-mile Dairy Queen route might be disrupted by construction at some point. Made it to Dairy Queen, didn't die. You didn't order at the order sign. Steve's walking through the drive-thru like the rebel that he is. Whew. I'm like, oh, there's a bunch of high school kids out walking. I thought they were coming to Dairy Queen. So it could be lunchtime. It was a little early for them to be done with school. Unless they have a super early start. Cocoa fudge sundaes for the win.
They do not take long to make, thankfully.
No. And they're nicer than regular hot fudge. They're like a darker chocolate. And this Dairy Queen is generous with their smalls. We are on our way home. We are fortunate in St. Paul to have such nice trails and nature areas.
Yeah, we got everybody.
Woohoo! Thank you! I mean, we are in, okay, we're technically in Roseville, I think, right now, but we're really in St. Paul here. Many much birds.
Hey, what?
Many much birds.
Oh,
No choo-choos. Wah! It's a sharp turn. Oh my God!
Downshift.
I did not attack with adequate speed.
Yeah. Sorry, I remembered just a little too late to...
I barely remembered that I was supposed to take sharp turns on that one.
Yeah.